Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I'm excited it's my first subscription box unboxing for February. Hooray! The postman came about an hour ago and it's Roccabox. There we go, let me move that way, there we go, that's better. So Roccabox, February's Roccabox is here, everybody. Before I get into opening it, I just want to let you all know I am planning on filming another Get Ready With Me in a couple of weeks. So this is your video notification. If you have any questions that you would like me to answer, I will attempt, I'm not very good at technology, but I will attempt to pop a pinned post in the comments. And if you want to reply to that with any questions at all, obviously as long as they're not rude or far too personal, and I shall answer. Let's get into it. Let's open up the box. Are we ready? No idea what's in it. There's our leaflet on the top. Okay, and oh gosh, okay, that's interesting. That's very interesting. Right. First and foremost, I have the leaflet that tells me what's in and the RRPs. I do like that about Roccabox, that you do get a leaflet telling you all about products and also the value of them, so we can add up as we're going along or at the end. First product. What have we got? Okay, Sugar Bear hair vitamins with biotin, folic acid and vitamin C. Food supplement, there's 60 pieces and they look like little teddy bear gummy type things. Let me have a look. As a food supplement, adults take 2 gummy vitamins per day. So there's 60, so that's a month's worth. Chew thoroughly before swallowing. Do not exceed recommended dose. Okay, so as I show you that, I'm going to try and get it in. There we go. Apparently they're an easy to use, scientifically formulated vegetarian vitamin complex designed for all hair types and genders. Biotin contributes to the maintenance of normal hair. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so what does it say on here? This is a full-size product. They are, good lord, £23.06. Cool, blimey. Right, okay. What does it say? They're cruelty-free as well. Contain no hormones. Yeah, there we go. Supposed to leave hair looking healthy, shiny and full of volumes, so that's an interesting thing. I've not had anything like that before. Yeah, don't really know what to say about that. Anyway. Next item is this, which again is by Sugar Bear Hair, and it's a shower cap. Okay, care instructions to clean, hand wash only. Allow to air dry with the terry cloth lining on the outside. Latex free, yes. Silicone free. Okay, right. This apparently is a bonus treat. Sorry. I don't know if personally I'd call a shower cap a treat. Not something I generally use. Not quite sure what to make of it, in all honesty. Very unusual product to find in a subscription box. Not quite sure. I might keep it for when I dye my hair. And I can turn it inside out and put the waterproof bit on the inside, you know, to help when I dye my hair. I don't know. Anyway, Interesting product. I think we'll call it an interesting product. There you go. Next in the box is, I'm going to have to turn my thingy over. Ooh, this looks nice. This is Monoskin Revitalizing Moisturizer for combination skin. Lovely. With cucumber, elderflower, mallow and arnica. And, oh, come on camera, there we go. A light, easily absorbed cream to revive and soften. Use every morning after cleansing and toning. And it's a 50ml. That's a really good size tube, 50ml. It's full size and it's worth £29.50. My goodness me. Right, there's a seal on it. I'm not gonna undo it and try it because I'm currently using and trying out some other moisturisers at the minute, so I don't want to start the going off process with that. I mean, it does say it's good for 12 months after you've opened it, but I'm going to keep it sealed. I'm really pleased about that. That's really good. Next, oh, hang on, oh, all right. Okay, number one, hang on, what we got here? Oh, we've got another bonus treat. Now, this I would call a treat. Here we go. This is Teapig's Cold Brew Tea. You get a choice of either lychee and rose or apple and cucumber. I've got the apple and cucumber one. A blend of cucumber and apple for a super light and cooling drink. This yummy infusion will make drinking water more enjoyable. So you put this in with 500 ml of water, leave it for 7 minutes, and there you go. Once brewed, please drink within 8 hours, plastic free, compost at home. That's really cool. That's something a bit different. I hate drinking our tap water because I've got really hard water where I live. So we got get a lot of lime scale and stuff, and it's really yucky to drink. I'm pleased with that. Actually, I am really pleased with that. I think that's great. Awesome. It doesn't tell me how much they are, but anyway. Next item in the bag is a Dr. Lip, the Lip Expert Moisturising Colour Lip Tint with edible plant pigments, and it's sweet potato pigment. I adore sweet potatoes. Absolutely love them. Moisturising colour tint, flavour and fragrance free. Here we go. Here's the tube. Apparently it is 100% natural. Only got 4 ingredients in it. It does have lanolin in. Okay. Not that I know I'm allergic to lanolin, but I know an awful lot of people are, so just to let you know, it does have lanolin in it. And what does it say on here? It's a full-size product. RRP is $6.99. Oh, I'm interested to have a look at this. I'm ripping it open. Ripping it open, everybody. Let's have a look. Let's see what... Oh, right. So it's one of these with like the angled thingy on it. Squeezy tube. Ooh. There we go. That's the colour of it. I don't know if you can see that. It's exactly the same. That's a sweet potato pigment. It's sweet potatoes that I have are orange inside, not pink, but no, there's no fragrance to it, and it just blends in. It doesn't seem to be overly pigmented. I don't know if you can see that. Very pale maybe. Oh, it does look a little bit orangier there. Looks pinkier on my hand. Oh, interested to try that anyway. And the next product in the box is, how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, that one's 7. Right, 7 items in this month's box. That's cool. Okay, the next one is a Starry Eyes self-warming eye mask. The World's kindest eye mask. Warms up in 30 seconds. Let's have a look. It says remove eye mask from pouch. Will begin to warm up immediately. Warm up when opened. Use immediately. Place white coloured side of eye mask on eyes with notched edge down. Place ear straps around ears. Keep eyes closed and do not press the mask against your eyes. Don't use at the same time as other eye masks. Yeah, how long was this? Oh, heats for about 10 minutes. The duration and perceived level of heat may vary based on the individual and the usage of our environment. Okay, again, this is a full-size product and its RRP is £4. Yeah. Helps to soothe dry eyes after a long day. Aid sleep and even ease headaches, apparently. So there we go. Okay, never tried one of those before, so that's a new interesting product. And the last item in the box, excuse me, is a lifting face sheet mask. Okay, only 15 minutes a day. It's by Danielle Creations. Here we go. Start with a clean, dry face. Spread the mask evenly across your face, being careful to line up eye and mouth holes. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove and massage any remaining product into the skin. And it says, it's got peptides in it to help stimulate collagen production, to lift and tighten skin's appearance and reduce fine lines. There we go, and this is another full-size product and its RRP is £1.60. So I don't think I've tried one with peptide in, so that's another sheet mask to go in my drawer to try out as I'm getting down them all. Okay, let's have a quick roundup. So we have the bonus shower cap. We have the bonus cold brew, apple and cucumber cold brew. Then we have the hair gummies, £23 and 6. We have the moisturiser at £29.50. So we are at, what are we at? £53, £52.56 for that. £52.56. The tinted lip balm, that is worth £7 basically, so £59.56. The peptide sheet mask, that's worth £1.60, so where was I at? £59.56. I'll call it £59.60, it's easier. So £6.60, £61.20. And then the self-warming eye mask, that was £4. So £65 worth of product, if you can see me. Plus the shower cap and the cold brew, however much they're worth, for a box that I've paid £14 for, just under. It's not bad, is it? It's quite an interesting sort of curation of products, to be perfectly honest. I mean, you've got two masks, and then you've got the moisturiser and the tinted lip balm. I really like that. If you're putting in like a warm eye mask though, do you really need a face mask? I think that could have been swapped out for something else, personally speaking. I would have preferred not to have had two masks, but that's only personal preference. You know, everybody's different. Really excited to try that moisturiser. That sounds lovely. Can't wait to try that as well. Tinted lip balm, that looks really nice. The hair gummies, I don't really need any help with my hair. It grows really quick anyway. But you know what? I am going to try them. I'm going to use them for the month. And I've obviously, as normal, I will report back to you on my findings. The shower cap, I think that's, I know it's not meant to be a bit of a jokey item. I'm not saying it is. It's just it does appeal to my sort of slightly bizarre and wicked sense of humour that there's a shower cap in there. That's just me. But obviously bonus items are always amazing to have. This I will definitely try out. This sounds fantastic, and if it helps me drink more water, then I'm all for it. Anyway, that's all for February's Roccabox. As usual, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please do comment down below, what do you think to what I've got in my box this month? What do you think to the value of it? Are there items in there that you would like to see in subscription boxes? Do you currently subscribe? Please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you're not already, please subscribe. If you are new here, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you do choose to subscribe and follow me on my journey. I do subscription box unboxings, I do makeup looks, I do update videos telling you what I think to products and how they perform. Yeah, don't forget to leave me any questions for my Get Ready With Me, and enjoy the rest of your day, everybody. I shall see you in the next one. Bye.